Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing a cream which is honestly like a miracle treatment for freckles, sunspots, melasma, age spots, dark spots of your skin. It is such a good treatment and it is so highly effective. I don't know why I've never shared it before. I think because I never found the concentration that I found here. So today I'm going to be sharing a cream with you guys, but before I give you the name of the cream, you have to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so you guys never ever miss a video from me, and I'm gonna jump straight into it. So the cream that I am talking about is called Hydroquin. So what this is, it's actually hydroquinone, and hydroquinone is essentially a skin bleaching agent. Now what that means is that if you suffer from freckles, or if you suffer from, you know, even acne scars, because that's what I actually used it for, it will be highly effective at getting rid of those, you know, sunspots or your darkness. Some people have like dark patches on their face, and this treatment is actually extremely effective for that too. But you need to, you know, use it in the correct way, otherwise you will get skin irritation or you can get redness. So the treatment that I actually have is so this is actually a treatment which has 3 different products in it. So the first ingredient is the hydroquinone. So this hydroquinone is 4%. So from 2 to 4% is safe. I think in Australia you can only buy 2% hydroquinone, but in Pakistan I found a 4% treatment. So the other product in this is the fluocinolone. I don't even know how to pronounce it, but what this treatment is this is like an anti-inflammatory steroid treatment. So what that will do is it will reduce the redness of your skin if you've got redness. Otherwise it's fine to have this in the, you know, cream. And the last ingredient is tretinoin. Now tretinoin is actually a retinol, and I think I've talked about retinols before and using retinols. So if you are pregnant, you cannot use retinols. So if you are pregnant, you can't use the Hydroquin Plus, unfortunately. But after you are done with your pregnancy, then you can use it if you've got, you know, hyperpigmentation or any other problems like that. So guys, the way to use the treatment is to use it morning and night. I actually only used it at night, and that's because my skin is sensitive, so I don't like to go into any treatments, you know, too much at, you know, all at once. I like to build up the treatments on my skin. So you want to use it morning and night. If you have sensitive skin like me, you can just start at night and then you can increase it to like morning and night, and you want to use it for 2 weeks straight. So while you are using this treatment to get rid of your acne scars or your freckles or your sunspots or your darkening, you have to wear sunscreen. Like if you don't wear sunscreen, your skin is going to burn, it's going to get worse, and you will also get like sunspots on your skin, because this is going to make your skin even more sensitive to the sun. You have to wear sunscreen. If you want to know more about sunscreen, I have a whole video on sunscreen, so you can check that out. I will leave it in the description for you guys. So use sunscreen and use a very good moisturizer. You want to use it for 2 weeks straight and then stop. Okay, you will, I think 80-90% you will get results before the 2-week mark. I think you will get results within 1 week of using it only. And because I'm using the 4%, I found that it was really effective really fast. If you get the 2%, it will also be very effective, because, you know, even the 2% is really good. Then what you want to do is you want to stop and then use it on your weekends only, so Saturday and Sunday, if your, you know, sunspots or your marks are still there. If you feel like that it's better, your skin has recovered, then stop using it. You don't need to use it anymore. Keep it in your, you know, skincare kit, and yeah, just use it as you need it. For me, I found like this was one of the best creams that has worked. I've used retinol by itself, and retinol is really good as well, but I haven't used retinol in the past month because I have been traveling. But this, super effective. This is what I highly recommend for sunspots, age spots, even if you've got like acne scarring, like just on your cheeks or anywhere, try it and then, you know, tell me what you think and tell me how you find it. I will actually put in the description like information about this product because it is a medicated cream. This is something that dermatologists actually recommend. So I want to give you guys a bit more information. I don't know of many side effects other than skin irritation and skin peeling, and even I have had skin peeling with this cream. But to avoid that, you can, you know, just use it once a day, use a really good moisturizer, and just make sure you're wearing sunscreen and everything like that. So that is my tip for today for your freckles and hyperpigmentation. I will be back next week with lots more home remedies, and I'm going to be sharing a full natural like skincare routine really soon for you guys because it's been highly recommended and highly requested. So let me know in the comments if you want me to make any videos for you guys, or if you want me to share any tips and tricks. And I'm going to be signing off. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.